everybody. Welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. Thank you for tuning in. And if you're watching this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so that you will not miss any of my videos when I upload them. Let everybody know about your girl Happy Dimples 39. Go ahead, thumbs up, comment. But what I am going to bring to you guys today is I'm going to bake some flounder. And you guys, some of you know that I am doing that keto dieting. So I am going to bake some flounder, and I'm going to bread it with some pork skins. I did find pork rinds, but they only had barbecue and hot pork rinds. Yeah, so I just found some plain pork skins. So I'm going to coat my flounder fish with it. Instead of using cornmeal frying, I'm just going to bake it. So you guys, on the side of my flounder, I'm just going to have a salad. I was going to have coleslaw with it, but I changed my mind. So I'm going to go ahead and have a salad with my flounder. So stay tuned and watch me prepare this dish. Okay? Okay, you guys, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get out my ultimate chopper that I've had for years. And I am going to chop up these plain pork skins. I'm going to grind them up really fine. I'm going to use the whole bag. I'm hoping that this is enough. The whole bag will be enough to coat my flounder. Okay, that should do it. Now that is really fine. And y'all, this is my fish, my flounder. What I'm going to do, I'm going to rinse it off, and I will be right back to season it. And first I am going to sprinkle a little salt on it, but on one side. I don't want it too salty. Then I'm going to put pepper. On both sides. Next I am going to use garlic salt. Then I'm going to use fish seasoning. Lastly, I'm going to use Old Bay seasoning. And I'm going to sprinkle on both sides. I have my aluminum pan here. I already preheated my oven to 360, and right now I'm going to coat my flounder. You can also fry it. If you're on keto, you can use peanut oil or olive oil, coconut oil, or what have you. Hope this is enough. Let's go ahead and I never had flounder before, you guys. Never. So this is my first time going to taste it. Okay, you guys. I am not going to cover it. I'm just going to go ahead and put it in the oven like this. Okay? And stay tuned for the final results. Y'all, this is the salad that I had gotten. I got it from Winn-Dixie. It is the fresh Creative Cuisine Chicken Caesar salad and dressing. And I am going to put it on my plate along with my fish. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, these are my flounders. I put a little of the I believe that's how you pronounce it, butter on top. Give it that little glaze, and this is what I've used. Okay. And let me fix my plate. I'll be right back. Okay, everybody, this is my dinner that I'm having. This is my first time eating today. Like I said, I have a salad, Caesar salad, and I have flounder. And I have some lemon on the side so I can squeeze some lemon on my fish. Let me try this out. Now let me try the flounder. Squeeze some lemon juice. Squeeze some lemon juice on it. Not bad. My salad. The flounder is not bad. I'm liking it. If I'm making you hungry, please forgive me. So good. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in, watching me prepare the flounders. If you're on keto, you can prepare your fish or whatever you're having this way. So thank you so much for watching, and like I said, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you will not miss any of my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please stay tuned for the next one. Bye bye.